My encounter with the field of arts is actually a daily occurrence and something that is inseparable from my life, as both my parents are ceramic artists themselves. And this also meant that I had a lot of exposure to various people in this field, working in different capacities, and interacting with them since a very young age created more and more interest in me to know more about this field. Along the same time, something that I also realized was that I was deeply interested in communicating the artworks that I saw, both through verbal and written mediums, and particularly the ones that my parents practiced and created, because I interacted with them on a day-to-day basis. This sort of interest lured me into reading more and more theories in artworks, in the field of arts, and that was also something that Kriya was providing me. As the field of literature and arts are almost inseparable themselves, studying the two simultaneously at Kriya has helped me understand the other better. And something that is special about this program at Kriya is that you just don't look at poetry and prose in literature and paintings and photographs in the field of arts, but you also learn theories that help you analyze the same primary artworks that you are looking at. I am also pursuing a minor in sociology, and this is an interest that grew over time here at Kriya because of the interdisciplinary approach that Kriya has. And it started with a course named Exploring Arts, Understanding Culture, and as the name suggests, we looked at different artworks and art practices to understand what this broad term culture meant. Within the global arts part of my major, there are two kinds of courses that Kriya offers. One section is known as the practicum courses and the other one are theory courses. Within the practicum courses, there are various courses that are offered on dance, music, documentary making courses, pottery courses, etc. And then there are the theory courses on the other hand. The theory courses are also something that interests me a lot and is something that is not completely devoid of the practical aspect. For instance, many of the theory courses have a practical component within the course itself. A course that I took previous trimester was Place and Space in Culture, and it had a practical component that involved a body movement workshop to understand the space around me, and that is something that was very interesting. So even the capstone that I'm currently pursuing is heavily inclined in the field of arts. I'm looking at various participatory art installations, and over the course of the previous trimester I got the chance of taking this course called Place and Space in Culture, which informed me a lot about how different scholars look at place and space through the fields of sociology, and this is something that turned out to be very helpful for a capstone that exists in the field of arts. Since the beginning, something that I have been interested in is communicating different artworks and creating narratives around them. And this is an interest that has persisted and developed over my time at Kriya. And to explore this further, I would like to explore fields such as art curation.